Hey, Miss Patty. Good morning. Good afternoon. June, enough. Oh, good afternoon. It is, well, it's pushing evening. June, enough. Oh, have to get dogs that bark, don't I? Anyway, they haven't had near enough outdoor time today. But yeah, it's late. It's like after 3:30. I have been still trying to get all my bookwork done, waiting on a couple emails, and oh dogs, if you knock me down this hill, we are gonna go rounds. Our lane is still snowed in. We did get my daughter out last night. Oh, don't fall, don't fall, don't fall. And that took a lot of work. Trying really hard not to fall down this hill. It is a lot steeper than it looks. Anyway, so we got her out last night. Took a lot of work. We ended up unloading the chute into the alleyway because it's going to take a lot of work to get the other chute out and then put that one in, and we weren't going to do it at 8 o'clock last night. So I have no help today. My daughter is going to go grocery shopping for herself after work. And my husband has meetings after work. So he's not going to be home till about 8 or 9. So we're going to muddle through things a little bit here. We parked the pickup down here last night. We used the hill to come down. We parked the pickup here, and I'll do the same. I'll walk back up when I'm done this afternoon because we can't get in and out the lane. Our problem here, she is so weird. What? What? Are you sure? Are you sure? Okay, let's go to work. So yes, our issue here where we live in Idaho is, so we have a severe winter weather storm warning, weather watch, whatever, starting basically tonight going all the way through Thursday, I think. So Tuesday night to Wednesday, we are expecting only 1 to 3 inches, but 45-mile-an-hour winds. The winds are what get us. They blow the snow, covers the road, becomes ice, and it gets nasty. That's why our lane is snowed in, because the wind keeps blowing and it just, there's probably a foot of snow, probably more, in that lane that my daughter got stuck in and my sister-in-law can't get out. All right, let's haul hay, get these guys fed. It'll be a little bit early, but by the time I get all the haul hayed, everybody fed, and figure out how to feed that pen outside, it's gonna be almost dark. I've been sitting here trying to decide how to feed the big group. They're watching me. They know it's coming. I can't let them out the alley because I still haven't fixed this hole. And I can't let them out back because there's no fence. So I'm thinking I'll push them into the ram pasture and then throw hay as fast as I can. I mean, I can lock them in there and then just throw hay and then bring them back in. There's too much snow for them to really be grubbing anything. Out back it's different because we've got that tall wheatgrass that they can grab, but up here there's not a whole lot besides weeds and the grass under the snow, which surprisingly is very, very green. So hopefully that means we'll have a really, really good spring. I think that's what I'm gonna have to do. Send them out to the ram pasture, lock them in there, Hope they don't jump somewhere. I know my neighbor fixed his fence where they had knocked the panel down, so we're good there. And I fixed that hole where they jumped last time, so we're good there. Shouldn't take me more than half an hour, hopefully, to throw the hay, and then I can let them back in. Let's do that. That's I think my best plan. So I don't know what idiot thought making 100-pound bales was a good idea, but boy, am I regretting doing it. Holy cow. Either I'm getting more out of shape as winter goes on, or they are more than 100-pound bales, because they are kicking my butt. So yeah, note to self, 90-pound bales next year. 90 pounds sounds a lot better right now. They've been playing Ring Around the Rosie this whole pasture just in the time it took me to shut and open gates. So let's see if we can do this before they blow this fence line down. All right, hay is all out and the sheep are not happy, but that is one project done. I might actually beat the sunset. Okay, let's go let them in. They can hang in here for the night, and I don't know, maybe I will let them out there tomorrow morning. There are some leaves on the ground that are exposed. I guess it all depends on what the weather does. It does give them more room to run though. There is that compared to in here. So, all right, let's go. Let's go let them in before they make another round. Come on, sister. Are you ready to eat? Come on, girls. Need to back this up a little bit. Hey. Can you guys wait for like 2 seconds? You're gonna break a leg. Just like that. Oh, dang it. There you go. Well, they moved that gate, so I keep having to back this one up so they don't end up killing themselves. Come on, girls! Come on! Come on, girls! Come on, girls! Come on, let's go! Somebody's gonna slip coming around this corner. It's getting slick. Come on. Come on. Come on, sister. You're the last one. Yeah, that's getting slick. Okay. That went smoother than I thought it would. Now that the sun's going down, it is definitely getting colder. I think when I got down here, it was 23 degrees. And the fact that the sun was out and there was no wind made it very, very nice. But now that the sun is going away, I can feel the cold. All right, I am going to feed dogs at the house. That's a hawk, okay. And then I'm going to check the weather for the next couple days and hope the storms they say are coming aren't actually coming.